That's the lower level.
What's down at the lower level?
Guest laundry and fitness room.
Let's go and have a look at it.
Yeah.
Okay, yet again, you need your key card for access.
Quite big.
It's 24-hour access. Let's have a look.
There is someone in there.
Lovely. And it's all segregated as well, which is really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's mainly these machines. Got a few ball weights, I guess you call them. Here we go. Everything to keep you nice and entertained and nice and healthy. And you'll stay here at the Residence Inn in the Loop.
I did laundry last night and it's so easy. I just popped down in pyjamas.
This goes to prove that no one cares. Right, you need your room key to access it again.
I was too quick, that's why. I'm coming in. Nice little room. You can sit and wait for your laundry.
Whilst reading a magazine.
Yeah, or watching telly.
Watching TV.
It's remote control though for telly.
Alright, cycle times. 30 minutes for the washer, 30 minutes for the dryer.
Yeah, so it's easy. You just pop your washing in and your soap and everything. And there's soap over there and actually people have left some.
Okay, so $3.
$3.
Seems to be the going rate.
Card, it's just like contactless. Swipe the credit card.
Lovely. So washing machines this side.
Dryers.
Dryers this side. $2. Plenty of them.
Yeah.
And like you said, soaps here.
Yeah, soap and dryer sheets. But people have left. Obviously, people have left them, so that's nice.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So this is our room, 1601. So let's go in. The aircon is on. So the first thing, it's got aircon. There's one vent, I'm sure there's many more to go around. So we come in, got this lovely kitchen and microwave, let's see. Oh God, it's a massive microwave. A little hob, two hobs there. Dishwasher, let's just have a look in the dishwasher. Very nice. Now, fridge freezer. Lots of room in there. Let's have a look in the top. Look at that. So if you're a little family, you're going to be well catered for. So plenty of cutlery in the drawers, other storage space. Let's have a look, see if there's anything else in them. Cups, bowls, plates, ice bucket. Is this a coffee making machine? It would appear it is. Anyway, a few tea towels. It's very nice. Couple of seats just down here at the breakfast bar. Where the breakfast chairs are, if you look left here, there's a couple of doors. Let's see what's in here. Aha, so we have spare pillows, ironing board, and some space to hang all your clothing. Not a bad size. And a full-length mirror which you're in. You come into the main dining area. Lovely few chairs here. You've got a massive desk if you want to do any work. The obligatory telly, which is quite a large size. So if you just come round here, there's some more drawers. But the top drawer has got a safe in it. Always very useful to have a safe, especially in a big city. Lovely big bed. Let's have a look and see what sort of sockets they've got. So we have got some normal plug socket there. I can't see any USBs. Let's have a look this side. Some drawer space down here. Yeah, just plug sockets. And the lights. Let's have a look at the view. Okay, what do you expect to see from Chicago? Lots of buildings. Windows could do with a wash, but I'm not doing it. Lovely. So that just leaves the bathroom. Let's have a look. Oh, look. MP on the door. I like that. Look at that. Hey, nice little vanity area. Towels, toilet. Nice big shower area. So let's have a look. Very clean. Very clean, very modern. So this is the room here at the Residence Inn by Marriott. Downtown Loop in Chicago. Hope you like it.